In this complete guide, you'll learn how to create and customize intake forms directly within Notion. Notion forms are an incredibly powerful and flexible way to collect information from clients, team members, or anyone you need to gather data from, all while keeping everything organized within your Notion workspace. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Hey guys, today we're diving back into Notion. Whether you're just opening the app for the first time, or you're looking to polish your skills, I'll walk you through my personal process for getting the best results when building out intake forms. This is a skill that can save you a ton of time and keep your workflows incredibly smooth. The first step is to create the database that will house your form. Open the Notion page where you want this form to live. This could be a dedicated client management page, a project workspace, or even just a general dashboard. Once you're on the desired page, all you need to do is type .form and then press enter, or you can simply select form from the drop-down menu that appears. This command tells Notion that you want to create a new form, and it immediately sets up the basic structure for you. Next, you need to choose the destination for the data that your form will collect. Notion gives you a really useful choice here. You can either create a brand new database specifically for this intake form, which is perfect for standalone projects or new clients, or you can link it an existing database that you already use. Linking to an existing database is fantastic if you want to automatically add form submissions as new rows in your client list, project tracker, or whatever relevant database you have. This keeps your information consolidated and avoids duplication. Now comes the fun part: customizing your fields. Notion is smart and will automatically create a set of default questions based on common database properties. For example, if you're creating a client intake form, it will likely pre-populate fields for name as text, email address, phone number, and perhaps a single select dropdown for service type. You have complete control over these fields. You can easily drag and drop them to reorder them exactly how you want them to appear to the person filling out the form. Crucially, you can also mark specific fields as required, ensuring that you get all the essential information. Don't forget to add description text to any field that might need further clarification, ensuring the user understands exactly what you're asking for. Once your fields are in place, it's time to set up some powerful automations. Click on the three dots, the options icon, which is usually located at the top of your form editor. From the drop-down menu, select Automations. This is where you can really streamline your processes. For example, you can set up triggers to automatically notify your team via Slack whenever a new client submits a response, or send a confirmation email to the client. You can also configure these automations to add the submission to a specific database, assign it to a team member, or even create a new task. These automations are a game changer for efficiency and ensuring no submission falls through the cracks. The final step is to share your form. Click the prominent Share button, which is typically found in the top right corner of your Notion page. Within the Share menu, you'll see an option to publish. When you select Publish, Notion generates a unique public link for your form. You can then copy this link to share directly with your clients via email, text message, or any other communication channel. Alternatively, you can also choose to embed this form directly onto your website, creating a seamless experience for your visitors who can submit information without ever leaving your site. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. So there you have it. You've successfully created, customized, and prepared your Notion intake form for sharing. This process allows you to gather information efficiently and keep it all neatly organized within your Notion workspace, making your client interactions and data collection so much smoother. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need to build a new form or tweak an existing one. Happy Notioning!